Hello all, my name is Kayla Swartz and this presentation will be on why you and your senators should support H.R. 3755, also known as the Women's Health Protection Act of 2021. This Wednesday, December 1st, the Supreme Court is set to hear arguments on Dobbs v. Jackson Women's Health Organization, a case regarding a 15-week ban on abortion in Mississippi. The intention of this case is to directly challenge Roe v. Wade, a 1973 Supreme Court decision protecting a person's right to have an abortion before viability, which is recognized as 24 weeks gestation. Since 1973, Roe has been the only federal protection of abortion rights, and its precedent has been used to strike down numerous abortion bans over the last 48 years. After the death of Ruth Bader Ginsburg in 2020 and the subsequent addition of vocally anti-abortion Justice Amy Coney Barrett, the newly established conservative majority of the court seem eager to overturn the precedent established by Roe. If Roe v. Wade is overturned this week, states will thereby be permitted to ban abortions after 15 weeks, and this new precedent will send a green light to states that may result in earlier or entire bans on abortion. Abortion bans are bad news for any person who is capable of carrying a pregnancy and disproportionately impacts cisgender women, transgender men and non-binary folks, people of color, and low-income populations. An abortion is a simple and sometimes life-saving healthcare procedure which, like any other procedure, deserves our protection. The ability to make choices over one's own body is central to an individual's autonomy and self-determination. In addition, the suppression of abortion is a form of gender, racial, and economic oppression. Given the likelihood that Roe will be overturned this week, legislators from the left have moved to create a more permanent solution to threats against abortion rights. Already passed through the House of Representatives and awaiting debate in the Senate is H.R. 3755, the Women's Health Protection Act of 2021. This bill is the first piece of federal legislation that aims to protect the right to an abortion by law, rather than judicial precedents that could be overturned by conservative courts. The passage of a federal law could curtail any potential state laws that would aim to reduce or eliminate abortion rights once Roe is overturned. Your role as a voter is crucial for H.R. 3755 is to be passed. Our elected officials do not know what their constituents want unless we tell them. Arizona Senators Kyrsten Sinema and Mark Kelly must be encouraged to fight for the Women's Health Protection Act of 2021 if we hope to count on their vote in favor of its passage. Both senators can be reached via contact form on their websites or by calling their offices. If you do not live in Arizona, you can find your senators here at www.senate.gov/senators. Please consider contacting your senators today and letting them know why this bill is important to you, share a personal story if you have one, how you believe that abortion bans negatively impact our future, and how you wish for them to vote. Thank you for your consideration in joining the movement to protect our reproductive rights.